you are interested in taking admission for physiotherapy course in Maharashtra, but if you still haven't registered, so registration window opens again. Also, the cap round 3 ka, the listing and everything is finally out. This is your last chance to take admission before the stray vacancy round starts. Hello everyone, hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student from Mumbai, and in this video we are basically discussing proper schedule, ki how the cap round 3 is going to work, what is your criteria if you have to register again or like koi zarurat nahi hai register karne ki. So the schedule like just came today and starts from end of November, like registration starts from 28th. So now who all are supposed to register? तो फ्रॉम इन राउंड टू इफ यू आर अलॉटेड अ कॉलेज एंड तुम्हारी गलती से वो कॉलेज लाइक नहीं ली, that means you're out of the whole counseling thing. So you're supposed to register again, and it's also supposed to like fill all the documents and pay the fees and everything like from start जैसे तुमने पहले register किया था वैसे. And second type of people would be like who haven't registered at all, like those who are interested to take admission and want to participate in cap round 3, so they all can also register. And for people who have taken admission in like colleges in round 2 retention nahi bhara, those people are like automatically eligible to take admission here. So I feel that's it for the intro process, because now the schedule has come. This is the last round, right? So you all have to be very mindful in filling counseling, because इसके बाद stray vacancy होगा, but you shouldn't be like completely dependent on stray vacancy कि कैसे क्या होगा. You really need to be like very up to date, or not up to date, but have very mindful choices, because this is like consider this as your last chance. Because if in this round if you don't get a decent college, stray vacancy में मिल जाती है लोगों को, but I would highly like suggest you all कि not go till stray vacancy and try to take a college in this. So my hands are this thing because I ate this some chana, but I don't know, my lips are also red, yellow. Sorry, leave it. So what was I saying? Yeah, so you're supposed to be very mindful, like to fill the choice filling. Don't miss any dates. Physical joining, everything. And round 3 में अगर college कोई भी allot हुई, that is your final college. You can't go like further more in stray vacancy. अगर तुम्हें कोई भी college नहीं मिले, that is choice not available, then you are eligible to go to the stray vacancy. But I would highly suggest you all to not go to stray vacancy, because like जा सकते हो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट लाइक व्हाट इफ तुम्हें जो कॉलेज मिल रही थी वो उससे फिर कम वाली रिस्की प्रोसेस, एंड इट इज मेनली फॉर पीपल हु डोंट गेट कॉलेजेस. If you get a college, try to take it, finish your admission process. Now I would be sharing my screen. Also, if you all have any doubts related to cap round 3 or something like that, you all can comment down below. I'm very like active and I'll reply. Or you can message me on my Instagram. We finally have an Instagram account. So this is my Instagram, so you can message me there. Now here I'll be screen sharing and telling you all everything what is needed and everything. I'm thinking I'll show you all once the brochure also, you all get a clear idea ki what exactly round 3 mein kaise eligibility everything is there. And then we move on to the main, what do we say, main the PDF जिसमें schedule आया है. So I'll be just helping you all get understand each and every rule or whatever. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the main website that we use for all the counseling process. Here from you register खुद का ID and everything, and you further enter the rounds and everything. So firstly, I'll be showing you this brochure कि इसमें round 3 के बारे में क्या लिखा है. So you all have like a clear idea on what has to be exactly done. And here we finally have the cap round 3 ka, what do we say, cap round 3 ka schedule is finally out. So we would be reviewing that, and I'll help you all understand the schedule and everything better. So let's begin with the main part now. Screen over here, we can clearly see cap round 3 का जो भी process है. So firstly, starting with what is like the eligibility criteria, etc. So available seats for round 3. We round 1 हो गया, round 2 हो गया. Now we have round 3, which is the main round, right? So अभी इसमें कौन सी seats available होगी? Seats not allotted during round 2, seats vacant due to non-joining, cancellation and allotment in round 3. So round 2 में अगर 50 seats बची थी कोई कॉलेज में, So अगर 10 students ने admission लिया, now 40 seats are available for you all to take admission from. Very simple, nothing very difficult to understand. The second point here is that following type of candidates are eligible to take admission in round 3. Very very important. First check your eligibility. अगर आप लोग eligible नहीं हो, you all will have to register again. So understanding this aspect is very important. So firstly here, as we see that registered candidates who did not fill choices in round 1 and 2. For example, आप भूल गए कि राउंड 1 और 2 में आपने कुछ भरा ही नहीं था, like you did not fill any colleges, nothing happened and you all were like did not fill anything. Basically 1 and 2 में participate नहीं किया, so you all are eligible for 3 because तुम्हें कोई college allot ही नहीं हुई, nothing happened. These are like first type of people. The next type of people we have registered candidate who participated in round, like तुमने participate तो किया round 1 and 2 में, but did not get any. For example, तुमने सिर्फ डाला नागपुर GMC और KM and your score is like 300. So you will of course not get these colleges, right? So now that you have not gotten any of these colleges, you are eligible. Likely saw first type of people who did not fill any choices. Here you filled the choices but did not get any college. So you all are eligible. Now candidates allotted and joined seat in round 1 and 2 and have not filled the statements retention. मतलब you got a good college, 1 में मिला, तुमने वो college ले ली, admission लिया but status retention नहीं भर. राउंड 2 में फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेम कॉलेज मिली या फिर दूसरी मिली, बट यू हैव नॉट स्टिल filled the status retention, which means that you are looking for upgradation. So you all have to like you all are eligible. तो तुम्हें रजिस्टर नहीं करना, कैप राउंड 3 जब भी चालू होगा, you all are like very much eligible to join the college. Now, candidate will have to fill fresh preference for round 3. All previous preferences will be like considered null. And I missed one point that अगर जिसने अभी रजिस्टर किया कोई न्यू है या जिसने राउंड 2 की कॉलेज नहीं ली, so you all will have to register again. Candidates who have filled and registered, if they joined the round but not filled status retention, participated and did not get any seat, and here we are registered but did not fill it. So now moving forward, that you have to fill नया खुद का preference list, which is of course तुमने round 1 and 2 दोनों में खुद की like list भरी होगी. Now candidate are not eligible for round 3, again very important. Candidates who joined seat in round 1 and 2 of the state quota and filled status retention. अगर तुमने status retention fill कर दिया, मतलब अगर 1 and 2 में तुमने admission वो सब होगा, you filled the status retention over here, which means that अभी तुम्हें upgradation नहीं चाहिए and you're very happy with your college. So you don't have to again, go for registration or whatever. All right. So now moving forward, if a candidate is selected during round 3, he should have to join the college during round. Candidate selected and will not be eligible for selection. अभी जब round 3 होगा, whatever college you have gotten, वो तुम्हें लेनी ही पड़ेगी. You don't have an option now. Like अगर तुम्हें KEM चाहिए और तुम्हें LTMC नीचे, you got LTMC, you can't get KEM now, तुम्हें LTMC. इसीलिए ये वाले राउंड में जो प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट है वो बहुत अच्छे से भरना. Do not put any unnecessary colleges. It is very important to be very mindful on what colleges you all are filling. So do not fill any unnecessary colleges over here. Okay. Abhi, I'll just give a quick overview of this. और if you all like are very confused stray vacancy क्या होता है, कैसे होगा, so I can make a separate video on that topic as well. So now here talking after round 3, stray vacancy rounds होंगे अगेन ऑनलाइन, वही वेबसाइट से होते हैं. तो वो स्टूडेंट्स जिसको राउंड 3 में भी कुछ नहीं मिला, जो भी स्टूडेंट्स राउंड 3 में एडमिशन नहीं लिया, उनके विद रिस्पेक्ट में वो एनी सीट्स आर लेफ्ट, so all those students can participate. And again you have to fill new preference list, etc. अगर फिर इंस्टीट्यूशनल कोटा पे भी आई हैव मेड अ सेपरेट वीडियो. लाइक अगर तुम्हें ऐसी और लाइक वेरी ऐसे कि तुम्हें केजे ही चाहिए, तुम्हें तेरना ही चाहिए, तुम्हें MG है, like you all want the best private colleges only. भले your score is 150, so you all can give extra money, take admission via IQ quota and get into the best colleges. Like be it DY Patil, deemed, जो भी तुम्हें लगता है colleges, like you all want for better exposure, everything, and okay to pay the money and can afford it for like 4.5, 5 years now. So you all can take it via IQ quota. Now let's move on to the main part of the video where the round has come. Alright, so now we have this website right here. अभी of course we know that CT state entrance cell से हमारा admission होगी. So now cap round 3 is your like last official chance of cap. उसके बाद stray होगा. Don't be dependent on that. So now we start by here. What is this course? So now this schedule is specially for round 3 only. So in case you want admission for MBBS and everything, they have different schedules. So you all can go like find those schedules. But here we will be mainly focusing on this wala part only. So for BPTH, BOTH, BAS, like this is like physiotherapy, occupational therapy, that prosthetics, orthodontics, and everything. That all part comes under round 3. So now, in continuation admission process of this courses for academic year, it is hereby notified that central admission process, which is the CAM, has been completed on round 2 has been completed on this particular date. कि तुम्हारा physical joining का ऐसी last date ये वाली date होगी. So now there are a few seats remaining vacant after completion of round 2. Has decided to conduct camp round 3 to fill vacant seats for whatever. So now the main process comes. Abhi, like we had mentioned before, okay. So first is पहले तो वापस online registration supply registration fees खुले. So again I would like to mention अगर तुम्हारा like if you have like missed round 2 में college लगी वो तुमने नहीं ली, you missed the opportunity, you will have to register again, like get the thing straight, you have to register. If you are like interested to take admission and you were late, like तुमने पहले register नहीं किया, so those people have to register and the date is ये वाली ऐसे. तो 28 से like 29 और 30 को तुम लोग रजिस्टर कर सकते हो. Now candidates who have applied previously, okay, candidates who have applied previously need not register again. Candidates who have cancelled and not joined an allotted college round need to unlock the CAR form, submit one's form and make the payment form. So now this is very important to understand. Yeah, we were here like on Instagram also. A lot of y'all literally asking me कैसे क्या होगा, what is that? Like when do we have to, in what all situations are we supposed to register again? So please understand this. जिसने पहले register किया है वो register मत करो. अभी जिसने register किया था पहले तो उसने not like cancelled their admission in round 2 or anything, and if you have been allotted a college in cap round 2, so like भले college you all got a college but you did not join or cancelled your admission. Now in order to take the admission again, you will have to submit like register again and make the payment. अंदर अच्छी नहीं मैंने तो अंदर अच्छी. Now online registration matlab ki like you all have to fill all your details whatever is required. Second, you have to fill the documents जो तुमने पहले दिए थे, like all the need related, then all your personal, then HSC, SSC, everything has to be filled again. Then coming to fees. तो जो भी तुम लोग की registration fees थी, you all have to fill the registration fees also again. Like I guess 1,000 rupees कुछ तो था. Like 1,000 rupees is there for if you are taking only physiotherapy. Like if you all have taken MBBS club or whatever, तो तुम्हारा ज्यादा था. But now in this वाला process of registration, you all have to register and making the payments, gateway, everything. अभी तुम्हारा जो पेमेंट है दैट शुड बिकम सक्सेसफुल, वो पेमेंट के आगे शुड कम सक्सेसफुल, ओनली इफ द पेमेंट इज सक्सेसफुल you will get admission, like you will be considered registered. If there is any issue in your UPI, get it sorted and try to pay up to like 30 the same date, like तभी ही payment option select में आ जाता है. So now again, like I mentioned that once. So now, like I mentioned, upload, color scan, original, whatever. So whatever list I like, I have a separate video on this topic, like documents कि कैसे क्या भरने हैं documents, and like physical joining में क्या चाहिए, online what and how you all are supposed to fill the documents. So again, while registration only that will come, and you all like अगर तुम लोग ने college छोड़ी है round 2 में, so you all will have an like you all will have an idea that how the form is exactly filled, right? Now, here comes the now on this day, uh, publication of combined provisional merit list of registered candidates of Group C courses. So, what does this mean? Like, अभी eligible for round 3, मतलब कि जिसने नया registration किया और जो पहले से round 1, 2 के बाद, तो वो सबकी एक लिस्ट आएगी ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स. So you all will come to know कि how many people are still there and who wants to take admission, what everything is going. So this is like not very important, but at least you come to know कि तुम्हारा अभी kind of rank किधर, where do you stand in the list, and then you can try to understand that what type of college you will get and what will, like just make your own analysis. Like if your number is थोड़ा ऊपर, तुम्हें समझेगा कि you can maybe get your the college you are aiming for, etc. Next comes the publication of seat matrix for round this. Publication of seat matrix, which just means that there would be like a list. Like I feel all these terms you all are now by now like kind of familiar with. So इसमें कितनी colleges में और कौन सी colleges में कितनी seat बची है, like in what quota, everything you come to know in this particular section. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक KM है और फॉर एग्जाम्पल KJ है, तो उसकी सीट इनटेक इज 100, राइट. तो अभी उसमें से इतनी सीट्स, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 80 सीट्स आर लेफ्ट, तो 20 सीट्स बची है. तो अभी वो 20 सीट्स कौन से कैटेगरी में है, सो यू गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि लाइक अगर तुम्हारी कैटेगरी में इज देयर एनी स्पेस, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. So for that they do the publication of seat matrix. Now, the most important thing, online filling of preference form for CAP round 3 group C. So here again you will have to fill the CAP round C पूरा तुम लोग का colleges का list. So which will happen on 1 to 3. 1 तारीख से 3 तारीख तक भर सकते हो. तो 28 से द रजिस्ट्रेशन है, 29 like 11:59 होता है इनका. से तुम लोग what do we say, you all can fill the register, and from this wala part you all can start filling for colleges. So now choice filling के लिए I would really want to give you all few tips from my side कि तुम कैसे अच्छे से खुद की लिस्ट भर सकते हो according to your targets. तो first please see कि तुम्हारे marks कितने हैं. डोंट हैव एनी लाइक अननेसेसरीली हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि तुम्हें 200-300 मार्क में कोई गवर्नमेंट मिलेगी, नहीं मिलेगी. उसके बाद लाइक स्टिल आई मीन you can start your preference list by KM, LTMC, all the good government colleges. Now you should have a clear idea that तुम्हारे स्कोर पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर स्कोर इज 250, योर स्कोर इज 350, तो तुम्हें कौन सी कॉलेजेस मिल सकती है. यू ऑल शुड लाइक हैव अ एम अभी कि व्हाट कॉलेज वुड बी लाइक गुड फॉर मी. कुछ भी खुद के दिमाग से लाइक इन एनी लिस्ट, डोंट फॉलो एनी, मेक योर ओन लिस्ट. लाइक ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अभी 350 है, तो इसमें शायद अगर कोई कैटेगरी है तो KJ मिल जाएगा, कैटेगरी होगा तो तेरना यू विल गेट, MGM यू विल गेट. तो हैव अ आइडिया कि KJ का चांस डिफिकल्ट है, ट्राई कर सकते. तेरना MGM तो मिल जाएगा. भी इसके नीचे 1-2 कॉलेज देख लो कि वॉट एवर यू ऑल आर लाइकिंग. लाइक of course you all have your dreams and like are fixed कि एक college चाहिए, but still you should have some backup plan ready in your mind. Now for example your score is 200 and तुम्हारी preference is KM, LTMC टोपी वाला KJ, बस इतनी ही अगर तुमने प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट डाली, यू विल नॉट गेट अ कॉलेज बिकॉज 200 में KJ नहीं मिलेगी तुम लोग को. So if you all want to like go for stray vacancy, तो ऐसी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट डालो, you will be get choice not available आएगा, and then you are eligible for stray vacancy. बट अगर इसमें बहुत रिस्क है स्ट्रे वैकेंसी में, कौन सी कॉलेजेस में क्या सीट बचे, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नाउ अप्लाइंग फॉर फिजियोथेरेपी, तो ऐसा हो कि तुम्हें जो कॉलेज मिल रही थी वो भी ना मिले. So be very mindful before trying to fill this. After the all the form filling and everything, here on 6th of November, you all will get your डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ कैप राउंड 3 का रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. यू ऑल विल कम टू नो कि तुम्हें कौन सी कॉलेज मिली है. सो बाय दैट, आफ्टर यू कम टू नो, यू ऑल विल हैव टू टेक एडमिशन नाउ. जो भी कॉलेज मिली, that is your final college for 5 years. 5. So be very careful to fill your preference list और अच्छे से देखो. अगर तुम लोग जा सकते हो तो IQ कोटा से जाओ, like if you all want the best private colleges, or else here in round 3, be very careful with your preferences because this is your final college, right? So after the round 3, you will of course get a day. Then you all will start with physical joining and filling of status retention. भी यहाँ पे सीधा क्या लिखा है, filling of status retention. मतलब round 3 में retention भरना is compulsory because you all will confirm your admission there, right? Then form filling with all the original documents, fees, DD. Now candidates can pay check on holidays to be displaced within next working days. तो भी इसमें कॉलेज में सिस्टम होता है डीडी का, विच इज डिमांड. वो वाला तुम लोग कॉलेज को पूछो कितना क्या कैसे देना है. नाउ स्टे वैकेंसी का ये लोग स्केड्यूल बाद में देंगे. नाउ इन केस you all like haven't filled retention and have gotten a college in round 2 and round 3 में you got the same college, तो तुम लोग को भी कॉलेज में जाके रिटेंशन फिल करना है और एडमिशन कंफर्म करना है. All right, so this was the main schedule. So now let's just go through the important instructions that they have given. I feel I would have covered most of them, but just let's have a look over here as well. ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर जिसने किया है पहले उनको रजिस्टर नहीं करना. प्लीज डोंट रजिस्टर अगेन, इट विल क्रिएट अननेसेसरी chaos. लाइक तुम रजिस्टर कर ही नहीं पाओगे. दे विल हैव अ सिस्टम बट डोंट रजिस्टर. नो कैंडिडेट्स हु कैंसिल दैट डिड नॉट जॉइन एडमिशन, अभी कैप राउंड 2 में अगर कॉलेज ज्वाइन नहीं की है, राउंड 2 में अगर कॉलेज ज्वाइन नहीं किया, यू विल हैव टू रजिस्टर अगेन बिकॉज राउंड 2 में कॉलेज ज्वाइन करना वाज कंपलसरी. नाउ पे द फीस अगेन एंड रजिस्टर. The choice filling by candidate must be filled. नया प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट भरना है, ऑफ कोर्स पुरानी वाली नहीं चलेगी. Candidate must complete registration and upload all the required documents. लाइक जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स तुम्हें मांगेंगे वो अच्छे से दे देना. फिजिकल ज्वाइनिंग में जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो दे देना. Now very important word. So candidates registered during this phase will not be considered for MBBS, BDS, Group A, or be very mindful of what course you want to do and how you all want to continue further. Now, candidates allotted a seat in AIQ round 3 of MBBS, BDS, Ayush will not be considered on CAP round 3. अभी AIQ राउंड 3 में अगर तुम जा रहे हो, लाइक ऑल इंडिया कोटा जो MCC से होता है, so you all are not eligible for round because you all are like your priority is that you are going towards that course. Can't register for candidate joint seat of cap round 3 for MBBS and BAMS, BHMS, BBS Group B will not be considered for. मतलब कि अगर तुमने MBBS या फिर BMS, लाइक दिस पॉइंट जो मैंने आप लोग को इधर बोला, रजिस्टर किया, तो यू कांट रजिस्टर फॉर सीट फिजियोथेरेपी का ग्रुप सी का cap round 3. It is mandatory to join allotted college. While allotted seat in cap round 3 will not be considered for join or do not join. अभी तुमने join किया तो join तो करना ही है if you all want to take physiotherapy. तो ज्वाइन करना ही पड़ेगा, यू ऑल डोंट हैव अ ऑप्शन। अगर ज्वाइन नहीं किया, you all are out of the process. There is nothing you can do about it now. So it is very very important to join, क्योंकि तुम लोग आगे कोई सब्सिक्वेंट फ्री वैकेंसी में नहीं जा पाओगे। कॉलेज लगी है तो एडमिशन लेना ही पड़ेगा। Can they also अभी जैसे ये बोल रहे हैं कि ये सब जो तुमने किया है, पहले इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी देखो, हो तो ही फॉर्म भरो खुद का। Now, PWD candidates should have claimed the quota at the time of the need. They should not submit online survey. Should they won any bound or any of the 16 bounds? तो ये तुम लोग का PWD का सर्टिफिकेट प्रॉपरली होना चाहिए पहले से। इकोनॉमिकली जो वीकर सेक्शन है उसका ये वाला जो रूल आया है, so with respect to that, you all should have your proper certificate and everything. Only then you all can claim this wala quota. Then belonging to reservation must claim in the application form before submitting the same. तो वही तुम लोग का कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट, एलिजिबिलिटी, वैलिडिटी, everything should be properly there. Any claim for converting from open category to reservation category, जब भी तुम लोग ने फीस भर दिया, ऑल कम टू नो कि मेरा एससी है, ओबीसी है, योर देयर इज नो रिफंड ऑफ फीस, तुम्हारा ओपन में एडमिशन हो गया। सो अगर तुम लोग की कोई भी कैटेगरी है तो पहले से ही देखो कि दिस इज द कैटेगरी एंड ऑल दिस इज हैपनिंग। एनआरआई जो फॉरेन उधर से पोर्टल है, उधर से रजिस्टर करो। देन एनआरआई कैंडिडेट एलिजिबिलिटी, तो भी 15% जो ये लोग रखते हैं फॉर दिस आईक्यू एंड एवरीथिंग, उसमें ही एनआरआई का भी एडमिशन आ जाता है। You have properly registered, understood everything that is important। पहले की कौन रजिस्टर से पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा, उसके बाद ये वाला पेमेंट करना है, फिर ये सब निकलेगा, फिर प्रेफरेंस फिलिंग, physical joining and all the rules. All have still like have any doubts, comment, message at the rate Prapti. So it feels very nice to be on Instagram, honestly. I just started my account like 10-20 days ago. So yeah, you all can follow me there. Also, that's it. Thank you so much. So I hope everything was very very clear कि कैसे wrap round 3 होगा, register किसको कैसे करना है and everything like that. So if you have found my counseling related videos helpful or like it helped you somewhere, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this brings us to end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.